So first off, I want to start by saying that I've been off on my page for a long time because I was going through a divorce, and also I just came out of the religion I was in. And yeah, you can look forward to me posting a video about my experience with those coming up soon. But right now, this video is to discuss that I mistakenly detox, y'all. It started with a fast. I was away from the house, and I typically like to intermediate fast. And if I don't eat at least before 5, I don't like to eat at night. You know what I'm saying? I like to go sleep with my stomach empty and stuff. So I like to eat within a certain window or whatnot. So what I did was I started fasting because it was late, you know, by the time I was able to eat. So I'll eat like some fruit. So the first day I ate some watermelon. Second day I ate like watermelon. Third day I ate watermelon. Second day I ate peaches, something like that. Like I just kept eating fruit. And mind you, I stopped eating chips 2 weeks ago. I haven't had chips in 2 weeks. And then on top of that, I stopped eating salt over a week ago. So yeah, after that, y'all, I'm drinking a tigernutmilk, right? Only eating fruit. Next thing I know, y'all, I woke up with these huge boils under my arms. And I heard it get worse before you get better. Because listen, under both arms. So, okay, I've been drinking spring water, best tea, tigernutmilk, eating fruit. Yesterday I had some Wise Burgers, which is a very healthy alternative to meat. It is so healthy. But y'all, I feel like I have the flu. I feel like this is the best best detox I've ever done, because usually the alcohol would also, anytime I detox, you know, like you do, you start feeling better, you turn and go drink and turn up. So I will mess up my detox because the alcohol addiction. So I have over 60 days clean of no wine. I have probably a year from alcohol. Last time I had some tequila, that shit was so nasty. A year ago. Before that, I had about 4 years no alcohol. I don't like alcohol. But I was drinking wine, and a lot of it. Vegan wine. Vegan organic wine. And boy, was I litty. And I'm definitely going to talk about all that in my next video. So please like, subscribe, y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on the details of this detox. Right now I'm resting, as you see. I'm weak. It feels like I got the flu, but I heard it get worse before it get better. So I'm going to document everything that is taking place, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna document it because this is crazy. Yeah, I kind of feel weak. So today I'm going to have so last night I got in my sauna. So today I'm going to jump rope and eat a big salad with the Wise Burger. Also, I woke up today. I'm going to document. I'm also going to post pictures of this detox. When I woke up today, I coughed stuff up. I blew my nose. It was some red stuff came up. It was like, it looked like, I don't know, it was red. Like blood, but my nose wasn't bleeding. I don't know. And then I coughed some stuff up. So I'm going to document this. And yeah, I'm going to share my experience. And I know it's going to influence people the right way. Because we all have things we need to heal from. And me being a lover of life, wanting to expand on sharing my personal experience so we all can elevate and expand together in love and joy and peace and happiness for humanity and totality together as one. And a harmonic rhythm of love, peace, and happiness. So, it's a pleasure to be back. Okay, y'all? I'm doing this detox. I want to do it for 40 days, 45 days, whatever. I mean, I got all the tools. It's all in here. I got God with me, you know, God before you, who can be against you? And it's such an amazing, I'm so grateful forever and on. So everybody stay up. I love you guys. Look out for the next videos. Peace, productivity, and positivity. Peace.